Manoj Yadav, ground and pound. Here we go. Shyamanand in the white trunks, Rahul in the black and green. Co-main event time.
Rahul Thapa again trying to push Shyamanand against the fence, trying to lock in that takedown and gets it.
In that position, the white trunks. This is the third and final round.
Nice 1-2 gets through.
Very nice. The bread and butter. Oh, very nice return fire from Thapa now.
Which is a great thing. Nice escape.
Beautiful escape out the back door.
But right again.
Looking for the guillotine.
यहाँ पे शाम ने 1-2 फेंका, राहुल ने कहा नहीं लगी भाई, कोशिश करो, शेल गार्ड कर लिया और वहां पे उसके बाद दोबारा एक और अटेम्प्ट राहुल थापा द्वारा टेक डाउन लेने की और उसके बाद माउंट ले लिया और बिल्कुल भी निकलने नहीं दिया Shyamanand को.
Shyamanand good escape there though.
You know, he tried to wiggle out, but again, and now they are face to face.
I mean, the air is thick, my friend, as we get ready for this main event. The interim champion in the black.
Whoa!
Big left hook. Immediately looks for that leg. Interesting strategy by Kantaraj Agasa. You can see the way he's grimacing instantly. This is the first time I'm seeing Chungung Koren grimace at the Kantaraj back to a standing position.
Oh!
Chungung is going to look to open up on the strikes.
That
Making him stay on the outside and think twice before coming in.
Oh.
Shots from both fighters, swing and miss. But again, Kanta gets a hold of him.
So, I mean, I can definitely see he might be feeling the effects of that.
Looking for that Kimura.
Oh my God.
Oh,
He's got Kanta on the ground. I can't believe it.
No, but Kanta's still holding on to that Kimura there. I think they're even in this. Oh, wow.
There he goes. Good
That's
There you
it.
go. That can change around. You know what? I can still do this.
Whoa.
Catches him with that left hook and goes for the takedown. Gets it. But the reversals, man, oh man.
I also think that shot that Kanta took coming in kind of rocked him a little bit. And he's also surprised by the fact that Koren is trying to push the pace with the wrestling. He's not really used to being on the defensive side with the wrestling. He's used to being on the offensive side.
Exactly. And now it's going to be interesting to see what strategy they employ because I think Kanta just can't wade in. You know, and try and get, hurt him. Because in the first round, I think that left hook surprised him. It hurt him a little
There
bit.
we go. Another
Boom.
takedown by Koren.
Fantastic
Not
takedown.
at all what I was expecting. Yeah, Kanta doing a good
Big
job
shots.
of fighting it, getting back on his feet.
See, he smartly realizes that and drags him to the
Nice
ground.
takedown again. Yep.
Goddard.
I mean, Mark Goddard asking him to defend himself. And Kanta here is in a bad position. His eye is busted up. You can see he's hurting. Knee to the body, and he's just bullying him from this position. He needs to watch out for the shot to the head.
Referee Mark Goddard talking
Those
to
elbows are
Kantaraj.
painful, man.
Mark Goddard is going to
asking
stop
him to-
this.
Oh!
And he stops the fight. Bully. Such an accomplished
I'm
grappler.
shocked. I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
100% shocked.
Let's look at the action replay
Warrior
here.
Cove guys have
Chungung
got it
Koren
going
with
on.
pure domination. And the referee Mark Goddard with that stoppage.
I mean,
And
he
at the
gave him
stoppage,
every shot. He gave him every opportunity to stop the fight, but he gave him every opportunity to step in to do something, and he couldn't handle it. He couldn't. Kantaraj Agasa got grappled, out-punched, outclassed. Sadly, I mean, I'm a big fan of Kantaraj. He's been a very, very big veteran, and show of respect.
Jim Perdios, third man in the cage.
Great body shot, put his opponent in check. Nice
Head
head
kick.
kick. Good block there.
Oh! He knocked him down! Manoj Yadav, ground and pound from top position. He's looking to end this fight in the first round. Big shots.
और राजेश का बहुत बढ़िया ग्राउंड गेम. ये देखिए एक्शन रील पे यहाँ पे राइट हैंड लगा राजेश को और राजेश नीचे गए और ऊपर से धुआंधार मुक्कों की बरसात करते हुए मनोज यादव.
Use that distance a little bit better.
Again catches him with the left hook coming in. Manoj has got a good counter left hook and couldn't take him down.
Oh.
Manoj though is looking for that counter punch. He's waiting for him to step in.
I feel the reason he's a little gun shy because every time he gets within striking range, he gets caught.
And just as we say that, he lands a big overhand right. Oh, he cracked him with a beautiful left hook.
Asking him to come in and he's got his right hand.
Oh! Huge
Nice.
left hook.
Nice hook, knocked him down. Let's see if he
Oh,
can
he's
finish
hurt.
it.
Oh, he's hurt.
Standing target in front of Manoj.
He's trying to, another counter hook of his own.
Up and down with that, trying to find openings.
Blitz.
Oh! Very nice.
Nice body shot there.
Again, that
Ducks
left hook.
under.
He felt that, I promise. Oh, again, beautiful right hand.
That
A lot of advanced boxers use that technique as they roll.
Manoj being very, very technical with this.
Again.
That hook again.
So he's slowly looking. Man, that missed by a whisker.
No, he's huge. Definitely specimen.
Oh, very nice takedown, but he doesn't keep.
Man, hands of stone indeed. You can see some of the counters. Round 2 was a good breakout for Rajesh. We saw Manoj turn up the heat and crack him with that left and right, which got him on Fleet Street.
राउंड 2 की थोड़ी धीमी शुरुआत थी अर्जुन, बट 2.5 मिनट के बाद जो राउंड ने मोमेंटम पकड़ा वो देखने बनता था.
In this third and final round, we saw control by Manoj perfectly. He landed those shots, stayed at range, moved perfectly, landed beautiful left and right hooks over and over again and stifled his opponent.
I'll say it again, I would like to see a rematch between both these fighters.
Maybe someday down the line. But look at the crowd.
Jyoti Kalita taking on Samir Dhiman.
Orthodox, Jyoti in the white trunks.
Oh!
Orthodox lands a beautiful head kick. Samir Dhiman trying to paw, trying to feint at him, trying to feint a reaction. Fighters like Arthur Beterbiev, who fought recently against Bivol, he has. Oh! It's over! Straight left! Puts his lights out!
Hey,
Let's take a look at that shot. He was landing that straight left over and over. And then bang! Sarita in the black and red trunks and Rhea in the white trunks. You can see the size difference. Sarita is the larger opponent. Stuffed with ease.
very good. Nishi doing really good in the clinch. I love that control.
Oh, big elbow.
Jason and Rahul.
The game has changed. I mean, you look at the replays, the fight started off with Sarita landing some very good shots. You could see she had the crisper boxing, but the inside and outside leg kicks, the range control by Rhea was fantastic. I mean, this was the exchange when Sarita was in top control, landed a lot of shots, landed some short shots here, but Sarita came back, threatened it by changing levels. A lot of them were stuffed and Sarita had a great sprawl, but a very good all-round exhibition. Rhea here almost tried to pull guard and look for an armbar.
Sarita Rathore in the blue corner. बहुत ही अच्छा टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट यहाँ पे और दोबारा से स्क्रॉल करके टॉप पोजीशन पे है रिया थापा और यहाँ पे सरिता कोशिश यही कर रही है कि एक आर्मबार में ट्रांजिशन कर देंगी.
Oh, she's got it. She might have that armbar.
She's got a good armbar.
She's putting her fingers into her glove now, which is not technically the right. Referee needs to watch out for that.
Well, we have good defense here. She's defending it quite well.
Man, oh man,
Good
Sarita
transition.
looking for that armbar.
But Sarita looks a little bit tired as well here. She's breathing heavy.
Oh, big shot there.
But she's smart. Every time she gets hit,
But
she
both
takes
fighters are landing effectively, and you see Sarita landed some good shots, but a lot of shots out of desperation to take this fight to the ground. It's almost as at this point she shot and got stuffed, full guard, and invited Rhea into her guard. But Rhea so stable on the ground, using all that weight and top control. Here Sarita trying, pull her heads up, looking for that armbar here. She almost had it. Great defense from Rhea again with that shot, and every time they were in the clinch position, she landed some good knees and elbows. In a very, very good position. Again, she's head hunting. Again, looks for
nice attempt.
desperation shot.
Yeah, she's landing strikes with ease. A great job there by Sarita
Perfect
taking
technique.
it. Not all the fighters have shown great heart tonight. They've all been rocked, but they've still been standing. Haven't given up even once.
Years ago, the game has changed so much, and Indian fighters and fans and coaches and camps are so educated about every aspect of the sport. It brings a tear to my eye to see finally India showing this level of mixed martial arts.